In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply as an administrative assistant on Glassdoor, Office Roles 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right roles, refine your search, and move confidently towards submitting an application, all within Glassdoor's job experience. Start by heading to glassdoor.com. This is where companies post openings and where you can also see helpful insights like salary ranges and employee reviews. Once you're on the site, log into your Glassdoor account so your searches, alerts, and any application progress can be saved. If you're only browsing for now, you can go straight to the jobs area without logging in, but being signed in makes it easier to track everything later. On the homepage, click Jobs. You'll find this in the main navigation. This takes you to the job search dashboard, where you'll see a search bar for job titles and a location field. In the job title box, type Administrative Assistant. Keep your keywords clear and simple so you get relevant results. If you want, you can refine the job title later, but starting with Administrative Assistant will show you the broadest set of office-based roles in this category. Next, set where you want to work. In the location field, choose your country or city, or switch to remote if you're open to working from anywhere. This immediately filters the list to roles that match your preference. If you need to narrow things further, you can adjust options like distance from a city center, date posted, or job type. These small tweaks save time and serve as fresher, more suitable listings. You'll now see a list of openings that match your search. Take a moment to browse and select the roles that look promising. When you open a listing, read through the job description, responsibilities, and qualifications to make sure they align with your skills. Look at the company overview, ratings, and any available salary estimates to understand fit and expectations. Confirm location details, schedule, and whether it's in-office, hybrid, or fully remote. When you're ready, use the Apply or Easy Apply button. You'll typically see on the listing. Some applications happen directly on Glassdoor, while others may take you to the employer's site. Have a clean, up-to-date resume ready, and if the posting requested, a brief, tailored cover letter that highlights your administrative strengths, tools you use confidently, and your availability. That's the process. Go to Glassdoor, log in if you want to save progress, click Jobs, search Administrative Assistant, pick your location or remote, and browse the results to select roles that fit. Good luck with your applications, and I hope you land the administrative assistant role that's right for you.